Hi guys!
Hi guys, Aniq here.
Over here.
Welcome
to
K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have
So this is the brand new 24-inch iMac. You guys can see it here.
and it is in the color blue, sky blue.
So you guys can see this is the front. It's really simplistic. It's just like the front of the iMac in blue.
And there's also the camera on top, and at the back it's like a darker blue.
Yep. It's pretty big since it's 24 inches, and this also comes with a Magic Keyboard, if I'm not wrong, and a mouse.
And this also has 4 USB Type-C ports at the back. So there's no USB-E, A type, and there's only USB-C.
So you guys can see that's what it is. It's really big. We can't really turn it around, so I think we should start opening it.
Okay, so here's the So here's everything inside here. The keyboard, that's the mouse, that's a USB-C to lightning cable.
It's braided in a blue braid.
So it's matching colors with this.
So you guys can see this is the huge power brick. The way you turn this on, Apple has their own now like power thing which plugs into the back.
And
the
this brick
interesting part about the brick is that
you're gonna use this to connect to.
You connect that, and then it also has an Ethernet port which you can connect to this to connect to your computer.
So there's no Ethernet port on this. It's in the brick.
It's in the brick, yeah.
So here's that.
You guys can see this is the
keyboard,
nice,
which is matching colors with everything. So this is a matching colors with the braided keyboard is also
you guys
blue.
can see this is the new Magic Keyboard. It has the new butterfly switches, if I'm not wrong.
And it's USB-C.
It has the new scissor switches. Then there's also a fingerprint reader up there. And to charge that, you need a lightning cable. And for that came this lightning to USB-C, which you can just plug in here and plug into the back.
It's nice. Put this here. That is the Apple Magic Mouse.
And then finally, we have the new Magic Mouse, which is now colored on the bottom. It has matching colors with which color iMac. So this is blue, so this is also blue.
Now let's see what's inside this. It should be iMac over here, and like safety manuals. And it also comes with blue stickers.
So Apple's lately been changing up the sticker pattern. Instead of just giving white, now they're giving colored ones too. So there's 2 different shades of blue, one darker which matches the outsides, and then
lighter which is matching,
and the lighter which matches the stand
and the outside.
So that's pretty cool.
So it just says a big hello over here.
One thing I've noticed is that they've tried to minimize all plastic. The only plastic there is mostly on the keyboard and the power brick. Everything else, like the mouse, it's not plastic, it's in
like fabric.
paper. So you guys can see this is what it is.
Okay, so
I think we can now pull off hello. Here you guys can see now this is the whole iMac, right? This is the iMac. Up here there's a camera, and then it comes with a built-in one, and then on the bottom there's a huge notch, right?
Which
this whole thing
matches
is
colors.
Yeah,
Everything.
so you guys can see this is what the iMac is. Let's turn it to the back real quick.
So, how heavy is it?
It's pretty light. It's not that heavy. See, and now
It's also very, very thin.
now let's also take off this back feeling. There, you guys can see you can't really pull it off all the way unless you like.
So here are the 4. There's 2 Thunderbolt ports and 2 USB Type-C ports.
And over here from the middle, you guys can see that's where the charger goes.
So you're gonna slide your hand in.
Yeah, down under here. There's that's where the charger. So it goes from the back and goes back in. Back real quick. So this iMac here, this one specifically, it comes with an 8-core CPU, the new M1.
And an 8-core GPU,
which is built into the M1, and then it also has 16 gigs of RAM
and 512 GB SSD.
Yeah, this one, so the 8-core GPU and stuff from M1, it's not as powerful as the new Pro MacBook Pros, because that one has M1 M1 Max and the M1 Pro. This is the normal M1. So this is what you're gonna expect. You're gonna get around the same power you'd expect from the
14-inch MacBook.
From the MacBook Air, since that has the same chip.
So, do you like this?
Yeah, this is pretty good. I like the colors too. They released a bunch of colors with these.
And I like the fact they have everything color. They're all the same color. They're all braided. Cables are especially braided, which is a nice.
It's made really nice and like feels like premium, I guess you could say.
Yeah, like Apple. So this is a nice thing.
You guys can see this is pretty cool. One other thing I would prefer to have left is maybe this notch at the bottom. I can understand why they added it, like because like speakers, and then there's also a bunch of like other things that's going inside, and the screen's just so large. But I wouldn't have minded if they made it a little bit thicker just so they could get rid of that bottom notch. So
this is a really cool device. This would be usually used for like having 2 Chrome tabs and like dragging stuff over, having some light programming.
This isn't usually for high power work, like maybe like rendering and like 3D modeling stuff. This isn't really made for that, but it's great for using it on like
programming and stuff.
Yeah, simple works like those.
Yeah.
It's really like a productivity machine.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.